You gonna help?
Shop dog's gonna help.
Shop dogs.
Oh,
Shop
careful.
dogs.
You're gonna have both shop dogs.
Got both shop dogs. Okay. What's up, YouTube? We are the Bill Paying Hobbyists. I'm Michael. Behind the camera is Ellie, and this is Logan, shop dog number 2.
Hugs.
Okay, Bubba. Thanks for the hug. Go lay down. Go on. Go see mommy. Go on. Today, as you can see, I am on the floor because Ellie has my stool. So that got me to be able to convince her to buy me a new stool. So we have a local Harbor Freight, and they were having a sale, and it seemed pretty sturdy when I went and checked it out in the store. And it's a Pittsburgh automotive stool. It'll go perfect with the Workbench. I'm not going to be using it to roll around the shop because it doesn't have wheels. But let's just review this thing real quick and see unboxing, unveiling. It's, a decent sized box. Again, I think they spend too much money on boxes. So let's get it open and see what we got inside. They taped it up. It's sealed up. It's not falling out of the box. That's pretty good. It's got some weight to it. So that's a good thing. Hopefully it is a sturdy stool, or we'll be taking it back. All right, let's open it up here. So I got plastic on it.
You know who you can thank for that, right?
Yeah.
Come here.
Grandpa taught them how to open presents, so they think that they should be able to open every box. So they zip tied the cardboard on there, which is good. They put cardboard on the zip ties that held it pretty well. The plastic, and each piece is in its own plastic, so that separates it to help keep the black anodized paint from being scraped off. So we'll set that there. And then we have the foot ring that goes down at the bottom. Sounds like it has the punch pieces still inside the tube. They could have cleaned that out, but I get it. There's little metal shavings that are falling out of it, so when they drilled it and punched it, they didn't really clean that out very well. It's kind of dangerous for your kids around, if you have your kids around, or animals. So be careful about that. We got our seat and superlative pieces all around. This little zip tie broke, not a big deal. Everything's still wrapped in plastic. They got cardboard around everything to protect it. Nice padded seat. Seems pretty soft. It should last for a little while. Got the lever, adjustment knobs for the backrest. Go lay down, Bubba.
Oliver will be the judge of that.
Oliver will be the judge of that. And I'm gonna set that back here. And then we have another box and the instructions. So we don't need that anymore. What's in this box? Let's see what we got here. We've got the seat piston. It was protected. The bottom part of the piston was protected in cardboard. That's pretty decent. And we have the backrest, same color, padding. And this looks like coupler pieces for the bottom. Probably goes like that. I don't know, we'll find out. That's why we have instructions. We've got Phillips head screws with lock washer, or with lock nuts on it. That's always good. And I may need to go get my wrench and a screwdriver to finish putting this thing together. Do we need instructions? We don't ever need instructions.
Are you going to do it my way? Because my way is without instructions.
Her way's without instructions. I use instructions when they're needed.
I like to just, fly by the seat of my pants. See if there's anything left
And then
over.
she wonders why her serger doesn't work right. Quick glance of the 2-page instruction manual that just shows you a picture of how the parts go and gives you a 1 through 11 list of instructions. It is all in English though, so that's a good thing. Gives you precautions, assembly instructions, and again, it's all in English. So that's kind of good. All right, I need to go get a screwdriver, and my tools are still out in the garage. I don't need to bring those in here because I don't need those for pens and turning, but I do need to get a wrench for this. So I'll be right back. I'm back, and yeah, American product made out of from Calabasas, California for Harbor Freight, Pittsburgh Automotive, and it's a 10mm nut. It's metric. Go figure. All right, anyway, let's follow the instructions and see how good the instructions are. Attach a leg 11 to the bracket aligning the holes. Slide the connector cover 6 all the way down to secure the leg 11 into the groove. Insert a long bolt 5 through the aligned hole. Hold long bolt in place and turn the bracket over so the threads of the bolt are facing up. Place connector plate 10 through the bolt. 3. Repeat for all 4 legs. The legs are adjustable in case your floor isn't. Alright, so it looks like I'm using the wrong bolt. I should be using an Allen bolt. There are 4 bolts in the package that have Allen heads on. Freaking all thumbs today. Turn stool over onto its 4 legs. Place the large ring 12 inside all 4 legs 11 and align the holes. Insert a bolt 9 through each aligned hole and fasten with locking nut 8. Finger tighten nuts. Place the small ring 7 outside all 4 legs and align holes with the 9 and align holes and fasten. Number 7. Once both rings are attached, go back and completely tighten all nuts on the rings and the legs. Slide the hydraulic cylinder 4 into the bracket with its spindle facing up. Place the seat over the hydraulic cylinder and press down firmly so its metal plate attaches to the cylinder spindle. Ensure it is secure to the spindle. It is secure. That is it. There you go. Loosen the supports place the 2 back seat supports 3 into the back of the seat. The supports can only be inserted from one direction. Loosen the 2 knobs under the seat before inserting. Retighten the knobs after the backrest is there. Slide the backrest onto the supports. The push buttons must be pressed before the backrest will slide all the way down. When aligning, the buttons will pop out of the holes, locking the backrest in place. Go back and completely tighten all fasteners. It's together. How long did that take? 20 minutes and 56 seconds, and that included me going to the garage twice. No, did you stop it? Oh, she stopped it. So it took 21 minutes to put it together. So let's see here. Where's my release? We're gonna do that. Get on it. That is a tall stool. That's all the way down. How does it turn? Turns pretty good. So there you have it. Feels pretty sturdy. The backrest is in a nice spot. Says it holds 275 pounds. I don't weigh 275 pounds, but it holds pretty well. Nice and tight. It's sturdy. It doesn't creak around or anything. So other than clarifying the bolts, you could have provided a little 10mm wrench and a 6mm hex wrench with it, but that's okay. I had the tools. And yeah, I give it a thumbs up. What do you think, Ellie?
Looks good.
Looks good?
Looks good.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Our little review of this Pittsburgh brand, Harbor Freight brand stool, swivel stool, adjustable with a backrest. I think they have it on sale. What was it, $74.99 or something like that? The weekend of when we're doing this video. I don't know what the normal price is, but it's a decent price and it works and it does its purpose. So again, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're getting value, please subscribe. Just scroll down, hit that little subscribe button down there. It's red. It used to be red. It might be black now. I don't know. They changed the colors of them. Give us a thumbs up. Please share. Please do something nice for a veteran today. And we'll see you next week. We love you.